Approved tips for a green home by a cleaning company, London. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Cleaning products occupy our lives. They are in our office, in our homes, applied on dishes, furniture, clothes, and dispersed in the air we breathe. They are supposed to keep dust and germs at bay, but they may be making things worse with dangerous toxins and ingredients. Is there a solution? According to just about every cleaning company, London. Yes. Hello and welcome back again to FastKlean channel. As always, please keep watching until the end of this video to learn more about green cleaning and get a bonus tip. When it comes to safe cleaning, there is one word you need to remember: green. There are actual ways you can make your cleaning routine safer and much more efficient than before, as far as cleaning in your home is concerned. Here are a few practical suggestions in that regard. Use green cleaning products. Because the impact of cleaning products on the environment is now better understood, more and more brands make an effort in greening their products. Toxic materials and substances are getting replaced, and overall there is less to worry about. With the advanced knowledge people have on cleaning, there are even more options thanks to things like baking soda and vinegar, which can be included in 100% green cleaning recipes. Let fresh air in. It is a known fact that stale air can be quite unhealthy. That is why proper ventilation and letting in fresh air from outside is of particular importance. Opening windows just for a few minutes makes a huge difference to indoor air quality and betters the home or office environment a lot. Dispose of cleaning solutions cautiously. Pouring down the drain or tossing on the trash is no longer a viable solution. Instead, one should look for sustainable alternatives, like recycling and reusing. There is no point in anything else, as cleaning chemicals can quickly spoil water sources and the land, which is far from ideal. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Look for green cleaning companies. Every reputable cleaning company should employ green cleaning methods and solutions. Fortunately, the number of such eco-conscious agencies is increasing, so it shouldn't be difficult to find one such. Green cleaning methods are not less effective. On the contrary, most of the newly developed routines that feature green products have proven to be better in every single aspect. Prevent toxins from entering in the first place. Whenever someone walks over a carpet with their shoes on, they are tracking in more than just dust and dirt. Bacteria, germs, and all sorts of nasty stuff can enter your home through such an act. That is why it pays to have a track-off system in place, or at least adopt a shoeless policy in your home, to ensure that no spoils enter there. Thanks for making it again watching till the end of this video. Here is your bonus tip. Easy to clean design. Cleaning is becoming ever more important for every home and office. That is why easy to clean designs are necessary and should not be disregarded. A cleverly designed property can reduce the need for cleaning and thus become more eco-friendly. These are all effective methods to green your home and cleaning routine, according to a cleaning company, London. Employ them, and you will do yourself and the environment a big favor. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out how a cleaning company London will clean the living room. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website realthalificide.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below.